Hello everyone, welcome to my channel S.G.M Creations and Tutorials. This is a Santa Claus. Santa is coming to town. The three Santa Claus together with the 4 or 5 reindeers. They are coming to town of the Black Forest. And this is the forest surrounded with the high trees. Look at this. This one is made of a top cover of the box from the refrigerator and fixed with the preserved leaves from the ferns. Look at this. These 3 leaves. And this is a garland, green garland for the Christmas decoration, serve as a grass on the ground and fixed with a fresh flower. This one is a fresh flowers, and this one is an ornaments. This is just a Christmas ornaments, 3 Santa Claus, and these 5 reindeers. Look at this, the red, green, white, green and red reindeers. And on the side is decorated with small pine cones, flower type, painted with red nail polish and attached with an electric light to add beauty of this project. I hope you like this project. This is Santa Claus is coming to town. This is a recycled materials from the top cover of the box of the refrigerator, this one, and a recycled pine cones. Look at this. And this leaves is a preserved leaves from the fern leaves. So thank you for watching. Advance Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So please give a thumbs up if you like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel S.G.M Creations and Tutorials. This is best out from waste. Okay, so you can create the same as this one if you have like this material. This is very easy and very costless because this is made from recycled waste materials. Thank you for watching again and see you in my next tutorial. Dankeschön. Auf Wiedersehen. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanonood ng aking YouTube channel. God bless everyone and advance Happy New Year 2020 and enjoy your holiday season. Merry Christmas to everyone.